View of the quarry face and floor at Fort Springs, West Virginia, preparatory to blasting a fresh supply of aggregate rock for the dam. The workable face is approximately 1,400 feet long and 190 feet high and is located 25 rail miles from the dam site. Blasting approximately 240,000 cubic yards of limestone rock from the full quarry face. Approximately 160,000 pounds of dynamite were employed for the shot. This was reported to be the largest blast of this nature ever detonated in the southeastern United States. The view showing the blasted aggregate rock on the floor of the quarry before removal to crushing plant. Placing of Class C concrete in the spillway section of the second cofferdam. Note the two-man vibrators. By the fall of 1945, the whirler trestle had been extended to the west bank and its concrete piers were being rapidly incorporated into the dam. The dam then proceeded to climb the banks of the west abutment. View showing the placement of concrete in an abutment foundation. In November 1946, continuous rains brought about a period of moderately high water. The four diversion monoliths flowed full, and certain portions of the partially completed structure were flooded, but there was no serious damage or curtailment of the work. One of the major items of work necessary to build the Bluestone Dam was the construction of 16 sluices. These sluices are each 5 feet 8 inches wide and 10 feet high and will pass a maximum water flow of 61,000 cubic feet per second, 457,500 gallons per second, before the water flows over the spillway. Each of the 16 sluices is controlled by 2 hydraulically operated vertical gates sliding into a cast steel gate frame. A view is shown of one of the gate frames being placed. The wooden forms for the bell mouth intake of the sluices were constructed on the carpenter's platform in the yard. Views of the assembled gate frames and wooden forms during various stages of concreting. Assembling of one of the 32 gate hoists. The cylinder was steam cleaned before the piston and rod were inserted. The cast steel gate leaf was lowered into the frame. Care was taken to see that the bronze seals were well cleaned. The assembled gate hoist was then installed and the piston rod connected to the gate leaf. Note the use of candlewick yarn as gasket between machine surfaces or joints. Scenes showing status of construction of the main dam in February 1947.